Hey guys, today we are going to be looking at this cordless massager from ALLJOY. So first off, let's go ahead now and unbox this thing. Such a beautiful box, definitely great for gifting. And now here's our massager. We have got a lovely little card from the brand, a super helpful user manual, and this card has a little bit of extra info on it. And then we've got this cute little box right here, which has got our cord. And now bear in mind, you do not need to have this plugged in while in use. It is rechargeable, which is so awesome. And to charge it, all you have to do is come right down here. Here's where you're gonna plug it in, just like so. And now we can see here by our light indicators that it is currently charging, and when it is fully charged, you'll be able to use this for 60 to 75 minutes all on one charge, which is so excellent. You can really just sit back, relax, and this thing will do all the work for you. And I love how portable it is. I love how you don't have to have it plugged in while in use. Great for traveling, in the office, or just lounging at home. Now for a close look at our design, we've got our straps on either side, and our real deal is right here. We've got our 3D massage nodes. There are 4 of them. They are so powerful. Also 55mm massage heads. These are especially long, great for getting into the neck, great for just really precisely massaging. So let's put this thing on. I have 2 favorite ways of using it. The first is the neck, so just like that. And down here we've got our straps, so you can stick your hands through them if you want to get kind of a tighter fit. And also adjustable. Here we can remove this clasp, make it a little bit shorter if you want, kind of tighter, easier to grip. And then my second favorite method is going to be the lower back. You'll just stick it like that, and then from the front you can kind of hold it like this, whatever works. But honestly, you can put it anywhere throughout your body that you want. So let's now get this thing going. First off, we're going to come here to our control panel on the side, and we're going to use our top button, the power button right here, press and hold for 2 seconds, and now it's going to start working. So we've now got our massage nodes working right in there. Feels really good on my neck. I've had some neck pain over here for a little bit as of late, so that honestly feels really good. I can even bring it up a little bit more around the neck. Oh yeah, that is very precise. It's exactly where it's been hurting. Oh, that feels so good. Other control panel functions. Right here, this will change the direction, so you can have it going clockwise or counterclockwise. And then one of my favorites right here, we've got the heat function. Simply turn that on and that will add heat to the equation. And then finally down here, we've got 2 different intensity levels. We've got low and high. You can easily cycle through them, find what works best for you. And again, you can really use this anywhere. We've got our lower back here. You can do a little higher as well. Maybe a thigh if you really want to. You truly have so many different options with this absolutely beautiful and effective massager. And also you've got this material. Oh, it feels so good. This nice smooth material. I love it. Great as a gift, great as a treat for yourself. This is an excellent cordless neck and back massager that you're definitely going to want to try out.